Okay, let's say we have a solid like this and we want to fillet this edge and we want to give it a big fat juicy fillet, pressing BD right away, making something like this. Plasticity gives us an error. Face range of blend on face too large. So basically the fillet is too large for these tiny faces. And you say, okay, never mind, I will do the piping method, this workaround. Shift D, you duplicate it, you rebuild it, and you say pipe. Plasticity again says no, and the reason is this self-intersection thing. But you need this fillet because your life depends on it. So there is still a workaround for the workaround. You select this face and you press O for offset it. Not offset face, just offset. So press O, and here you can adjust the thickness of the offset. And because you want a rounding here, you also have to cut these faces. Face mode, select this guy, press Ctrl R, press tab, changing the direction, and do the same here and here. And you see where I'm going with this. Do the same here and snap it to these snapping points so you can cut them comfortably. Then you can delete this junk. Go to edge mode, loft them with G1 continuity,